Well guys, so we've got a BMW X3 today, 2013 model or 14, 15, makes no difference because they're all the same layout. And we've integrated a wireless CarPlay into the original head unit. That's just basically your original BMW setup. But by pressing and holding the menu button here on your iDrive, press and hold it for 3 seconds, and your Apple CarPlay just pops up on the screen. Just as simple as that. Then you get to use your iDrive to select and make all your musics and play songs and do your destinations and so on. And that's here basically all the other menus. All the factory original system is still active and still working. It has built-in microphone and it has external microphone, as well as the factory microphone is still active for your Bluetooth and stuff. But if you want to just go to another menu that it gives you quite a fair bit of other option as well, tap that, and that's the interface of it. So you've got music, CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, video play back, and video inputs, which is for your 360 camera. If you wish to just connect a 360 camera on it, or front camera or rear camera, any additional to it, you can do that as well. So just select back our CarPlay. And it is wireless, guys. Yes, it is a wireless CarPlay. As you can see, my phone is in my hand. It's not connected to anything. It is wirelessly connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it is happening right there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And again, if you want to just go back to the original car menu, press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds, and that's back to your original menu.